What if your smartphone wasn't a disposable device anymore? What if instead of being trapped by a glued battery and sealed screen, you could actually fix it yourself without fear of breaking it? Google's 2025 devices might just be rewriting the rules of repairability, and you've never seen anything like it before. Today, we're diving inside the new Pixel 10 Pro XL and the Pixel Watch 4. And by the end of this video, you'll see exactly why these devices are being called the most repairable tech from Google yet, and why that's a huge deal for anyone who hates paying outrageous repair fees. For years, Google's smartphones and smartwatches were notoriously difficult to repair. A single cracked screen or dead battery could mean sending your device to a repair center, or worse, replacing it entirely. That's frustrating, expensive, and frankly, wasteful. But 2025 is different. Let's start with the Pixel Watch 4. It's no longer a sealed disposable gadget. Instead, Google has redesigned it with repairability in mind, giving users the ability to access key components with relative ease. It's the biggest leap we've seen in a smartwatch in years. Now, the Pixel 10 Pro XL takes it even further. Thanks to new internal architecture and design improvements, disassembly is simpler than ever. Official repair guides are now available, and replacement parts can be ordered directly from Google, a rarity in today's market. Even battery replacement has been revolutionized with pull tabs that make removal straightforward instead of nerve-wracking. Zack Nelson from JerryRigEverything has even suggested this might rival Fairphone in ease of repair. That's a bold statement, considering Fairphone is famous for its modular, user-friendly design. While delicate tasks like swapping the display still require care, the overall improvements make a massive difference for anyone willing to do their own repairs. And here's the kicker. After a full teardown and reassembly, the Pixel 10 Pro XL powers back on perfectly. No tricks, no damage, just a device that's built to last. Google isn't just selling smartphones and watches anymore. They're selling longevity, sustainability, and real control over your tech. So, the next time you consider a new device, ask yourself, do you want something flashy or something you can actually repair? And if you want to see the full teardown of the Pixel 10 Pro XL and Pixel Watch 4, click the link in the description and join us inside these game-changing devices.